So some of the example, you can see the major protocol like Aave and Uniswap, they are managing billions of dollar in this decentralized financial market. So that is the revolution which is there, and this is benefiting everybody, not just one, two. It is giving profitability to everyone from any part of the world. Coming on to the next part, like when we talk about DAO, what exactly DAO is? That is decentralized autonomous organization. The governance and the economics of DAO system is dependent on their user. Okay, how many users are there in that particular platform? How much shares or tokens they are holding? Based on the holdings, they have certain rights to votes on the platform and make their opinion to make decisions, which is not possible in any centralized system. In the centralized system, there is a organization and the bodies are already designed. So in that way, where you need to understand that is manipulated by someone. But when we talk about DAO, it is not manipulated. Even the single penny which is transferred from one wallet to another wallet can be traced. Okay, can be traced. This gives you a huge assurance like your funds are used properly. Even when you invest in any banking system, you don't know where the banks are using your fund. They are not transparent. You don't know how much profitability they are making. You don't know how much they have made or how much loan they have gave, how much they. But when we talk about DAO mechanism, when you become a part of any DeFi system, you're holding that token, you're holding that asset, then you are eligible to see every single transaction, where this funds are located, how they are used, how they are making profit, how much profit is generated. That is in front of us. So that is more valuable and more, you can say, transparent than any financial system right now in the market. But the challenges right now in this DAO system is also like this. There are very big players which comes up with huge amount of funds with them. So when they come with a huge amounts of funds, they are kind of people to make major decisions. Okay, they can take major decisions which everybody have to follow.